I have a big delivery and it's for Mother's Day. The Karcher!
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Hi guys, I have a big delivery and it's for Mother's Day. The Karcher! Let's go unbox all of these boxes na galing sa kanila. As you can see, ang dami. 4 siya na boxes of different vacuums na pwede natin gamitin at pwede nating i-demo para sa inyo. So, let's go. So wait, ito para sa carpet?
Yes, sa carpet po, sa sofa.
Sa sofa.
Pwede sa kotse din, no?
Yes.
Kasi ano
So,
to?
cordless.
Cordless.
Yes,
We can
cordless.
just charge it. Perfect for the car. Laging madumi yung kotse namin.
You said in the office, I said to have a small one, especially for the car.
Yeah.
I didn't think I'd be this excited.
Ayun yung charger. Diyan sinasaksak.
Ito yung dock niya.
Oh, okay.
So, kapag sa room lang,
Easy storage.
tapos this one po, yan siya. And floor tool. Yan. So again, yung selling point niya is yung sobrang lightweight siya compared to other.
Oo nga.
Yan.
Magaan lang.
What's nice about this, kasi it's a vacuum, tapos for the floor, meron siyang roller sa loob.
Roller siya.
Okay.
So parang nagwawalis na siya vacuum.
Okay. Hindi ka na magwawalis.
Tapos,
Hindi siya talagang vacuum na walang roller.
Oo.
so it has, ito yung power niya. May 3 mode siya. Tapos meron siyang 3 LED light pagka sa hard to reach area sa madilim.
Paano natin malalaman yung pinaka-highest? Ayan. Ayan, mababa.
But the roller is best for hard floors.
Yes.
Hard floors.
For hard floors.
Tapos this one naman yung...
So I can use it later doon.
Yung mas heavy duty, the wet and dry vacuum.
Talaga? Kaya kasi naalikabukan last time. Pag ganon? Sa labas actually. Ayun, ang dami.
And this one, WD3, wet and dry
Ito
vacuum.
powerful.
Mahilig po ba kayo maglinis ng car or nagpapa-car wash po kayo?
Papa-car wash.
Naku.
So pwede nang
Meron
hindi
na kayo
ano.
na dalawa, so pwedeng kayo na.
Oo. Hinantay lang naman namin tong matapos yung garage namin. Kasi nagpapark kami sa labas pa. Eh, tinatapos pa nila.
Ito siya.
Ito yung parang heavy duty.
3 years.
Yeah, ito nga yung sa inyo, yung sa Australia.
Ang dami yung software. And the pressure washer. I think we're number 2 in Australia for pressure washer. It's quite popular in Australia.
Kasi mas madali ata itong gamitin for Australia kung pressure ang pinag-uusapan.
Yeah.
So lalagyan mo siya ng water.
Hindi po.
Hindi na.
Hindi na, okay na siya. Nakaka-suck lang siya ng water, pwede. Tapos kapag basa
okay.
yung i-vacuum ninyo, make sure lang na nakakabit to. And then, ang filter bag niya naman,
Ano yung filter bag?
kapag wet, kailangan nakatanggal to. Tapos, pag you need filter bag, let us know po. Papadala namin kayo.
Sige.
So, dito siya.
So kapag wet, kailangan yan.
No.
Baliktad.
Remove it po.
Remove it kapag wet. So ito dry lang.
Dry po. Kasi ito yung mga attachments niya. Tapos ito ay crevice din. Tapos floor.
Ay, easy pero very powerful.
Mm.
Yan siya. Kabit natin ha. Kabit natin. Yung wheels, sige. Kaya na po magkabit kung gusto nyo may wheels or wala. Tapos the good thing about WD-34 Karcher vacuum, organized siya. Dito.
Oo, pwede mong ilagay din dyan.
Aha.
Storage.
Hindi po ang mahirap. Ayan siya.
Kung ano, kompleto pala.
Ganyan siya. Tapos try natin. Dito. Kunyari may papatayuin lang kayo. Pwede siya. And then, dito tayo. Sa kanyang vacuuming.
Other way lang.
Lipat nyo lang yung kanyang hose. Siya. Okay.
Okay rin yung sarap.
Try natin sa kitchen ninyo.
Sige, try natin. Pagka nilinis na daw natin yan mamaya, ito, tapos ito, steam cleaning, yung last.
Proseso yun eh. Get rid of the, what do you call this? Solid dirt, loose, and then you steam it for disinfection.
Ito ay ano lang naman siya. Very user-friendly lang siya. Madali lang. Basic lang talaga.
Yun ang importante kasi kapag ang ano,
Hindi siya complicated.
kapag complicated, ayoko na.
At least after we have video edits para if we forget.
It's on YouTube.
Yeah. Meron sa YouTube.
Yes, yes.
Just search Karcher.
Or at least may mga demos.
Hindi, maganda rin na live demo kasi maalala mo agad.
Tapos, lalagyan natin siya ng
Tubig.
Dalhin mo siya dahil mainit siya. Merong ano dito, pang tapakan. Yan. So,
Oh, so exciting.
Ano?
nantayin lang natin. Mag-ihita
So,
siya.
ano yun? Mainit?
Steam mo siya.
Steam.
So, pag pinanggal natin, yan sa kalahat.
Paano sa gagamitin?
Pagagamitin nyo na sa balot na siya.
Yan.
Ayun, have a look at this, guys. We were craving Thai food, and usually we go to Mango Tree, but wala dito sa QC, so we are eating. This one is chicken. So some fried chicken with egg and rice. Then we got here some pork with egg, and then of course my favorite sauce. Ito ba yan? Yung favorite sauce ko. Dito. Yun, I love Thai dipping sauce. I don't know if you've ever tried this, guys, but it's really good. And then this is also pork, yeah? Pork rice topping or chicken, babe? Chicken. No? This is chicken for the kids. For Aaliyah. And then we got some salad. So we needed some Thai salad because veggies first. And then we got here also a pork, parang bento box, but I'm not sure what they call it for Thai food. But you can see here me konting salad, tapos may dessert, but that's going to be for mum. And then we got one massive dessert, which we didn't realize was so big.
Sticky rice. Tapos ito ube.
Ube.
Ube and cheese sticky rice. Tapos
Yeah.
mango sticky.
This one's the mango sticky rice, and I think you still need to put the condensed milk on top. Ayan. Ayan, para masarap. Yun. Pero grabe ang laki. We thought it was just like one serving, but this is good enough for everybody. Ayan. Okay, and then we have some Thai drinks over there, but we're on a diet, so hindi pwede.